they gonna have to die on me. I gotta get my part. You see that hole in the roof? That hole in the roof?
That was there?
Yeah.
Dang. I'm gonna rip the top off the house.
Hey.
Hey, I see that cut out in y'all yard.
Here go my grandma's house. Come on, AJ. I'm finna show you.
Hold up. Look.
Yeah. Come on. Grandma said, where'd it come from? I was like, right. That mug almost scratched me. Come on. Take my grandma's crib. Look, all this pretty furniture just messed up. No, we weren't hollering. Oh, shoot. It pushed the chair. It pushed the chair. And how did the chair get in here? I don't know.
What chair? Dude.
Let me tell you where we were.
But when y'all in grandma's room in the closet?
Yeah, and they was in this hallway room.